Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve find duplicates in an array program. The task is given an array A of size n which contains elements from 0 to n minus 1. Your task is to complete the function print duplicates which prints the duplicate elements of the given array. If no duplicate elements is found, print minus 1. Note: auxiliary space must be order of 1 and time complexity must be order of n. Input output, I will explain with the example. Our task is just complete the function print duplicates. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case there are two lines. First one is the number of elements. Second one is the details of those elements. Same way remain test cases also. So see this, how the output will come. This observing this first test case, see this, all elements are unique and not duplicated. So output is minus 1. In the second test case, 2 and 3 are duplicate elements. So output is 2 and 3. To solve this task, I will write the code here. See this, print duplicate function. The output is in a sorted manner. To make it sort, for that reason I am using sort function to sort the given array. Then this given array, take this first one or take the second one. This will be sorted 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is the after sorting. To find if such duplicate elements exist or not by using C variable. And I am using one more variable t equal minus 1 for if duplicate elements exist more than twice, t will be find such time. In such case, t will be find. Here is the beginning. For loop, I am starting with 1, I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Then if a of I minus 1 is equal to a of I and t not equal to a of I. So output is a of I, c value became 1 and t value became a of I. Because if it is okay like this, then if c equal to 0, nothing but no duplicate elements exist, just print minus 1. Taking this second test case, observe this one. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now after sorting, we are at I value 1. Nothing but take this one. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is after sorting. Then we are at the 1, 2. Check this one with the 1. If condition. Check. A of 0 equal to a of 1. It is not true because it is 1, it is 2. If block not execute, I increment. I 2 now. Check. A of 1 equal to a of 2. Yes, it is true. 2, 2. And t not equal to a of I. T value minus 1 now. A of I value 2 now. Both are not equal. Then output is 2. Then c value becomes 1. T takes the value of a of I, 2 value. Then I increments. I value 3 now. A of 2 equal to A of 3? No, it is true and it is 3. It is not equal. Then I increments. I value 4 now. Check this condition. A of 3 equal to A of 4. A of 3 value 3. A of 4 value also 3. Both are equal. And T value is 2, not equal to 3. A of I, 3 value. So output is A of I. 3 will be printed. Then C value become 1. T value become 3. This I value incremented to the 5. So I 5 less than 5 false. For loop stops the execution. Check this condition. If C equal to 0, no. Already duplicates are exist. That's why C value becomes 1. This block not executed. Test it. For given expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Correct answer with the execution time 0.9. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.